Hey, you got the camera on?
Yeah, can you do some? I think I've zoomed it in.
Check him out.
Oh, look at him.
Không có vàng gì nữa.
Yeah, let them through with the camera. Is that you? Oh my gosh, look at him. Look at the water. My God, it's beautiful.
Oh, look at him showing off. Look at the baby above.
Oh, look at the little baby above. See the little baby? Above there.
Oh, okay, yeah. Is that the little baby one, Don?
Yeah, I know.
Baby tộc nam
Grandpa there with his man boots. Look at him upside down.
Oh yeah, on the tree, one climbing down upside down.
Nè, Giang Liên kia gì? Ui,ตัวนั้นตัวกระเปียกเลยอ่ะ
Hey, when the baby one goes up.
Will they jump onto the rock?
Tip you off.
Bring it out like I don't want to get wet. I have to go in the most awkward position.
Can they swim? Yes, two more.
Can they swim? Yep.
Really?
Maybe that's how
They'll
they
come
go.
snorkeling with us.
Yeah, it's not fish we've come to see.
No.
There's where a billabong.
Somehow they
Come on, Ali.
Oh, you'll get a good one over here.
Yeah, ready, what?
We'll pop up over the rock.
There
Here he comes. Watch his head pop over.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Right,
Hello.
แม่นด้วยอ่ะลิงอ่ะ
Look at him. Oh, they're so human, aren't they? They touch and everything. That's amazing.
Nom 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 nom.
It's like you guys trying to catch that thing in your mouth last night.
I can go all real way soon.
Yeah, he's like, stop making
They know how to get them out of there.
Cheers, mate. No worries.
Oh my gosh, that's so real. Like,
He's opening the bag.
he's eating the bag.
No, he's opening it. No, he's about to bug out.
Good boy.
Oh, not bad.
That's a good one, Naomi.
Oh, look, there's another one.
มีลูกลิงลงมาด้วย ลูกลิงกำลังเดินมา
Do you want me to take one from here, Pete?
Oh, look, there's a tiny baby behind that one.
Look at the little one up there. Look at this little one.